how to turn on screen mirroring or how to enable screen mirroring on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can enable or turn on screen mirroring on iPhone. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. In order to turn on screen mirroring, what you can do is first you want to go ahead and scroll down your notification bar. Once you scroll down your notification bar, you can see the mirroring tab here, right there. Now what you can do is first you'll have to make sure that your device that you're trying to mirror on, your smart TV or Mac, is connected to the same network that your phone is connected to, that your iPhone is connected to. So once you are connected to the same network, then what you can do is scroll down the notification bar and you can see the mirroring tab here. You want to tap on the mirroring and screen mirroring will pop up here, and it'll show the list of devices that you can mirror on right here. You can tap on the particular device once it shows up here. Now I don't have any device currently here, but once you have it, you can tap on it and you can go ahead and mirror it. Now if you don't get it on the mirroring tab, you can head over to Control Center and then you can do it from there. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.